Hello guys, I'm Silvester from rustyguitar.com. Have you ever played a song and get lost in the middle of it? So when you're playing a rhythm and like in the middle of the song, somehow you get lost. Like, so where am I counting on what beat is on? So your beat gets messed up, your rhythm gets like kind of awkward. So yeah, so tapping your foot and naming the beat is important. I mean, it's definitely important because it helps you to keep in sync with the song the whole time, and also keeps your rhythm hand on its track all the way to the song. So as a guitarist, we will play hard rhythms like complex rhythm patterns from one song at a time. So if we are not aware like how that rhythm pattern connects to the beat of the song, we will get easily lost. So the importance of tapping the beat, first of all, is to get our hands and in sync with the rhythm pattern and the beat of the song. So, and second of all, tapping your foot, like physically tapping your foot to the song, makes an importance in the rhythm. Sorry, for the mumble. So tapping your foot along with the song's beat creates a solid inner rhythm for us musicians, guitarists. So we will get a strong sense of the rhythm, which eventually will enable us to create a groove of the song, really be into the groove of the song because we tap. So how to tap our foot to a song. So usually the most common way, the really common and recommended way, is to tap your passive foot. What I mean by passive foot is like the foot which is not supporting your guitar. So if you're sitting down and you're not left-handed, I mean obviously your right foot is gonna support the guitar. You're gonna put the guitar on your right foot. So you're gonna tap with your left foot. So and tap the heel. Tap with your left foot, tap with the heel, and tap it as highly as possible. So lift the heel as highly as possible. So don't do just a small micro movement like that, because what it enables you to do, like tapping high with your heel, is it really gets the inner rhythm inside you. It really gets the beat inside you. So while you tap small, I mean, you should try it by yourself. You're not really gripping the beat of the song. So tap high with your heel and your passive foot. Okay, so that's the first one. And I would like to avoid several tapping techniques. First of all, do not tap with your toe. So you don't want to make big gestures that will kind of distract other players or what. You don't want to make gestures that attract people attention. You know, if you tap on with your toe, again, it'll be hard for you to feel the inner rhythm for you, because it doesn't really puts the beat inside of you. And do not tap with your front foot. So if you tap with your front foot, first of all, it uses a different kind of muscle than when you tap with your heel, and that the front foot's muscle quickly the fatigue level is high. So I mean, midway into the song, you'll find yourself exhausted and just won't be able to keep up with the beat. So yeah, and the third of all, if you could see my right foot, my right leg. So if I'm tapping with my right leg, so the guitar will be moving. So if it moves, then it will be hard for me to do like those precision rhythm. Like I want to do a certain part of rhythm on the guitar, or in general, it will be hard for me to maintain a steady rhythm. So that's why it's not recommended to tap with your right foot. Okay, so that's all for today. So this is part of an article. This video is an example of my article, which is how to play with any song on the guitar for beginners. So, and that article, it's a free article. In that article, I'll explain a step-by-step, like comprehensive way of how you can be able to play any songs on your guitar if you're a beginner. And like it's full with examples. For example, like this video. And so each technique, I'll try and simplify. I'll try and really clarify the idea with a video like this one. Okay, so if you'd like to check out the video, if you'd like to learn songs, and check it out at rustyguitar.com/lessons. And that's it for now. Write down your comments in the section below. Maybe you have a unique way to keep up with the beat, or you disagree with my avoids notes chord. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Have a good YouTube browsing and have fun.